I thought I didn't need Envato Elements because I use AI on other tools. And then I got an email saying they have unlimited AI tools for music, narration, images, and video. I changed my mind, getting a full library of images, videos, music, Premiere Pro assets, plugins for my website, and now also unlimited AI generation tools for all kinds of media for just $16 a month was incredible. In this video, I will explore the music generation tool to create AI music. They also have other tools for their music library, which was created by humans, so let's check it out. First, if you don't have an Envato Elements subscription, you can click the link in the description to get one. If you're not sure about committing to a full year in advance, you can start with 1 month and cancel if you don't want to keep using it. Anyway, let's see how to get to the music generation tool. After you have your subscription, you'll find the Gen AI option in the top menu. Clicking it will open a submenu with different tools. Click Music Gen to start creating music. Like all of their other AI tools, you get a very simple box and some tags to generate the music. You can also generate music from other music. I'll show you how in a bit. You need to write a prompt for what you'd like in the music track, like instruments, mood, and other details. If you're not sure how to describe it, you can use ChatGPT to help you with a prompt. Below the prompt box, you'll find some tags to help the AI understand what you're looking for. If you don't know exactly what to write, you can just click the tags to start generating the music. There are some options inside. You can read them and test different tags. Since there's no limit on how many music tracks you can generate, you can always create a few samples and change the tags until you find the right combination. It takes some time to generate the music track, but overall, it's very fast. And whenever one of the tracks is finished, you can start using it, like downloading or extending. So you don't need to wait until all are done if you already find something you like. You should know that you only get music. I tried different prompts to add lyrics or vocals, and it kept generating only background music. So if that's what you're looking for, this tool might not be for you. The music that was generated was nice. I think it's best for videos that need background music or any other content where the music is not the main focus. After you set everything, it will start generating the music. Wait for the full process to finish. While it's generating, you can already start listening to the first track. You get 4 tracks of 30 seconds each. It will also give each track a name. You can find the tracks in your new music library. This is your own AI-generated music library. To get there, click the top right to open your subscription. This menu looks different when you're using the AI tools. If you're in the regular library that was created by humans, you'll see a different menu. So, to access your music library, first go to any of the AI tools from the top menu. Once you're there, you'll see that you can switch between all the AI tools. Under the Music Gen tool, you'll see an option for the library. Click it, and you'll see all the tracks you created. For each music track it generates, you also get a colorful icon, so you can tell the different tracks apart by both the visual icon and the track name. If you stop the generator, it will only save the tracks that were created until that point. So if you stop it early, you might get only 1 or 2 tracks instead of 4. To get all 4 tracks, make sure you let the generator finish and don't close the window. At the top, you can see the last tracks you generated, and you can access all of them anytime. For each group of generated music, there's a button to create more tracks with the same prompt. It will create 4 new tracks each time you click it. For each track, you can click the play button to listen to it. If you like it, there are a few things you can do with it. At the end of each track, there are some buttons. The first one is for extending the track so you can get a longer version. When you click it, you can choose how long you want to extend it to, up to 1 minute of music. Each time you extend the music, it gets longer. So if you want a 5-minute song, you need to extend it by 60 seconds each time, and then do the same with the new track until you reach the full length you want. When you extend the music, it stays under the same name group of tracks that you first generated, so it's easy to find and see the differences. When it extends the music, you get the same track but longer, so it will sound the same at the beginning of each extended version. The next button in the track library is for creating a new track based on the one you already have. Click it, and you'll see the track and a box for the prompt. Now you can write what you want to change for the next song, like the mood or the instruments, things like that. You can play with it until you get something that works for you. That's the benefit of having no limits. The next button is for creating a favorites library. Because your library can get very big very fast, you can mark the music you like so you can find it quickly in the future. Just click the heart button and then go to the favorites tab in the library. It's the second one there. You'll see all the tracks you marked with the track name and icon color, so you can find exactly what you're looking for fast. The last button is for downloading the music. When you click it, you get the option to download the track and also download the license. The track name will be Envato Music. followed by the name of the track you got here. If you download 2 tracks with the same name, the file will have the same name with a number at the end. Every track you download will show in the download section of the music library. That way, if you need to download it again or do something new with it, you have the list here. And you don't need to remember exactly which track it was from the big list. Before I talk about the license, let's see how to use this tool with the music library Envato Elements has that was created by humans. Click the Audio tab. Now you're in the huge library of music that you can download and license with Envato Elements. I have another video that goes through how to use this license, but for now, I want to show the tracks you can use to generate similar music. On the side, you have different tags you can select to help find music you like. To hear the music, you can click the play button. On the right side, there are some tools. You'll see that some have 2 circles and some have a magic pen. The 2 circles are for searching similar music, but the magic pen is for creating a new track based on that one. When you click it, you go directly to the Music Gen tool where the track is used as a reference. Now you can add a prompt. I found it's best to change things very slightly because if you change too much, it might not sound good. Just like with prompts, you can't take a track with vocals and expect it to genera. On the side, you have different tags you can select to help find music you like. The music that was generated from the library was not what I expected, but they write that this is still in beta, so I guess time will tell if this tool works better using existing music as inspiration. For now, you can't upload a music track of your own, only use what's in the library or just generate from scratch. Now, let's face the licensing of this music you generated. But first, disclaimer, I am not a lawyer, and you should read the terms yourself. And if you have any questions, you should reach out to Envato Elements support to ask them directly. From my understanding of the terms I read, you get a license for using this music inside another product, like a video. You can't use it as a standalone music track or try to sell it. This is still Envato Elements property. So if you create a video where the music is the main thing, like when you use just one image or the video is made only for listening, you need to be aware that you might get a copyright claim, which is different from a copyright strike. A copyright strike risks your channel, but a copyright claim risks the money you can earn from that video. Your channel stays safe. If you upload a video to YouTube using music you generated with the Music Gen tool from Envato Elements, you can submit the license to prove you have the right to use that track. Then, the claim should be removed, and you can get the money from the video without problems. The process of submitting the license is very easy, and once you get used to it, it only takes a few minutes. So it's worth it if you like to use this music. In the music library, you have the license ready to download. I suggest downloading it immediately when you download the music track and saving both in the same folder. That way, if you get a claim in the future, you can quickly submit the license number. It's important to know that when you use the music in a video, you need to upload that video while your subscription is still active. You can't use music created during the subscription and upload the video after the subscription ends. This is how they make sure you're paying when you use their stuff. If you already uploaded the video while your subscription was active and then stopped your subscription, you are still safe, as long as the video was uploaded during the time you were subscribed to Envato Elements. If you like to see how to solve the copyright claim in case you got one, you can watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.